if I te okotuna say ye chime go many more say and now na ba ko ye twa and the Kofi Adoma weni ba ko a two and then a bimu and chuma free woman sa I am the eye of God.
Abusi, I hope someone na muni mami we. Aya na anu ya na ye Kofi Adoma nwanwani eba be ye press conference concerning the eye shooting no. A man for bebre sympathize with him. Even me anam te akra me video fa akra na me hwe video no na ye myro ho. Say dom dodo na obi obehu video bia no enya abadaye bi efa de ekoso no. Lenso eye mame Agradaa de said da Kofi Adoma woni ne boni awadi no eso mfa so no wanya na se wa ma amepa chewa na ni ba ko no so e bi fra aka ho we nya sem papa a ese ye kan e de kire ye nyonko dasani no matter boni anipa ne kra e de adu no we nya sem a ese utumeka abra nipa no e wa ho hihiem se we nya sem papa kan kire na I think say you better have to shut up than say obekọ akakan sem we e de akire no. Say there was a time about in chairman money dollars near dear ma wako publish information be like Obi Obonia, oh yes, for our original puppet a preachy, Obi Obonia doesn't mean say you should pay the person back with evil. So now so my Agradaa said that on the no waka no waka. Mommy and Kuti, Mammy Agradaa.
Appear to be conjured court for 4 solid years without any proof, any tangible reason. And you probably go meet the so. Omu pushing of Agradaa court. Oh, you see, and then me lawyer your video no, or can send be or make some statements be. Many ba me hoso. Or say the bad news are the radio and the TV and the bloggers are making against me, no. When the good thing come to me, they did not come and publish it. Patromomo lava so. Our appear near more koye, Sanka judgment to buy any so appear kobo Agradaa. Now we dip him with proof and evidence. Ka all over the world, Kobia become once because you come as someone they will gain money, and they always use the bad news about me to get money. Also, you who say radio presenter be aka want some that you who say TV presenter be aka want some, but at the year news some of YouTube for no na omo be fine na omo publish here. But senka mene kotia me and kasabre because you want crofo mutimi tsena se gada. Ye meeting say asem we ya be no muma ye nyina ya dwen enko ha ti say wonim how they use the media to bully people what wa because na de na mami obi e ka bone fa no yes they did a conference call omo kabo no my conference no maka say asem we ye ko katia Agradaa it's every radio who come out to speak about this matter, you should come and speak against the woman for the empenifo and the police empenifo to know say the woman is bad person. Omu ko meeting no matter na say. Then there will be no je me hu paako meeting. Publishing me eri muguase weni ba ko bo na weni tua. Me Agradaa me I will never get sympathy for you because what tom me hu bone dia pesika na bone na what tom dia pesika no and ne weni ba ko na afia no. Now when you're doing such but couldn't be fraka home. And now your wife is sitting there talking, God is saying, do you know that there is God? And your husband was using some people's wife, some people's mother, using his platform, tarnishing their image. And then say appear dimi ko jina court in appear, edi misum kunimua, and ka Kofi Adoma di nani ba kuna aprono, ebe so camera to come and publish it. And can I confirm that he will come and publish it? But let me ask you, say, have you ever seen their platform? Because they are still working as a media team. Has then the media team come and publish the good news about me? They will not do it because they are giving me whole contracts to disgrace me. Now me will show ban na me so for ban was sra a jare me send me to ya. But I always tell you, say, when you get any chance or any power, don't try to use your power to intimidate somebody's life. Oh yeah, brother, oh a chance. Kofi Adoma, you get the platform. You have used so many years to disgrace me. Go many more say selling bad news against me. And now I bet see so. ebe gazi ni ye kwan na enru wo nkyanya ye kwan no ye twa ntro me koya asori na ye twa ntro to me so na ye de handcuff gu me nsa. You will interview people one after the other. Na mkosisa mu rukutu nkrofo a munim say nkrofo a mosesa wo mo de o mo be ye interview nyina no. They did not come to the church, including lawyer Efatate. You interview him, including Apia. You interview him. And it's better for you say you shut up and come out and apologize to people. What they will platform a good say for forgiveness. Me don't come a Bible say. Me don't come a Bible. Every time I say you can even get billions of cedis. So why am I wanting to apologize to some people when you saw a platform to tarnish us? And when you know you will never get it back. I'm telling you the facts. Me did the Reverend Dr. Evangelist Patricia Mrs. Siana. Me didn't know. Agradaa me didn't know. Using your platform. Go many more say. Now handcuff gumensa. Now we promote it. Now more cancel. Now more chantro. Now more the platform so. Now more buboki. On the nyame ayo. Nyame chiawka. Nyame bo chiawka. If you are a blogger or you are a radio presenter or you are a TV presenter, so when the good thing come on, I don't know baby who say you are a real person. Now woman crime will be koto. I don't say so I am using you for this woman. Tarnish her, can some good fee. And I'm not saying and then me who me kunanim and then me kunda so I mean who the sexy face of my husband. And over to me I so. And then when you back and I look my way. Bakono eko akabako. It's better for you to come out and apologize to people. Ni pay di yaw. You use your platform to disgrace people. Yanu bi abrani ani asofo bi kokoni ade edu baby ye hu say ya ne no. We came out and apologized to them. Why are you making yourself arrogant? Who do you think say obi benya see nobody is going to get sympathy for you, me especially. Who pe manim guase, who pe mu wo, who pe mamane, who pe mafiase, na nyame afa wani baako ama wani baako aboa. Wo sole ani fraye fo na so mo egu platform so. Na abuso anya obi wa. Abra na wo do platform na dane ani fraye fo, wo sesa wo mo mani afra, abodanfo, na wo interview abodanfo, na wo interview ani fraye fo, na omo gu prominent people wani mu ase. To your platform to disgrace a pastor, a woman of God, now platform so trying to disgrace them. Or when you go see Kofi Adoma when you sit to the high authority, Bible say a say when you are kania. That's all we are now. Who are Jim Bonnet? Send the penny guassier and out the opa. If we are better than soon, our brother womb. If don't wish evil for anybody. Don't wish evil for anybody. Because obi friend in Yankopon obi ni ho. Anyone you wish evil for the person, you don't know. I always tell you, you don't know the covenant. The covenant between that person and God. You don't know the covenant. And you go see and the be Agradaa and the papa ma Emma Kofi Adoma meka and me president. But I have dashed you dollars before 2019. Wo ba mi TV station be hu bra mapo hu edan ya masie abrosan ya masie e TV station ana sabre kwa no ti bia na wo yadwuma wo TV station wa na wo yadwuma no mpo no na me build ye nyame afa me so build e bia TV station afa nkwala more than 100 people ana me chia mo ka no na wo TV station ho bia na wo yadwuma no na enuru ho obaye me free mapomo mu chia wo dollars ba wo free ho a wo koye no. What did you go and did to me? You did not remember. So what did mean someone didn't put that? And all the Yamiao, Miss when you know, your way papa no is so more boy, papa Mahama in why are the Yamin Shirano? But papa, some people are cursed by God. Some people are cursed that some people are punished by God. Miss me don't sack me, what don't sack and Yamian Kosia. I'm telling you, what don't sack me, what don't sack and Yamian Kosia. Because I am not guilty. But people always want to use me for money, for trend, for posts. Yanya ne bone, na yemfa kwachi abodi. Yanya ne bone, na yemfa yi post. Edine bi mu ya me bone dia kwachi aboni no. Na me no ka say no. Edine kran ka de ne kita no ka ope. Ne efre wonsa eko treating me like a dog, a woman like me. A woman with substance, a woman with case, treating me like a dog, treat me like you treat me like Obiami Nipa. And now Maria, you see what God has done to you people. Me na mete ho a me hyene no. Me na mete ho a me hyene no. Wo so wani baako ye de abatena ho no. It's time for people to repent. Mutse Ghana, de mu chini ni panko so. De mu chini so wo yo ba. Momo love no so. If you are a woman, cry dey ye fa onya shimpo. If you are a woman, they will not take you any serious. Yam person oba be peja wo my Ghana mo. Yam person oba be ye loud. E wo my Ghana mo. Ya be kan wa she. They will sit down and plan to say ya be kan wa she. Try say ya be kan wa she. Because you are a woman. When you born it, ni ya plan it, ni ya hye, ni ya choso. Anyway, and then ebi mo djuma free monsa no. Ebi mo ni abupo. Ebi mo ni abo. Ebi mo djuma free wa monsa. A lawyer will cut snazzy go many more say and then you chat and I. If I take, oh, got snazzy, yet see me, go many more say and now I back when you chat. And the Kofi Adoma when you back when you two, and then a bimu and chuma a free woman, sir. I am the eye of God. Me yanyami kosia. If I'm guilty, God will deal with me. But if I'm not guilty and you use your power to intimidate my life, you will never go scot-free. You will never go scot-free. Ade. Mutuma ni si oba ba ko peso me nye bone enka pia we betam eno na ma judge no estate say how can you use this useless case ashe ne busuafo wo so abankran be popra ashe wa busuafo wo so wo adwuma ya blogging work radio adwuma but wo betu wani esi obi ma me na wo di watam da Minkan wasam da, min di watem da, min mo wudin da. The first day I met you, I said, well, friend, I said you want to interview me, and you come to my TV station to interview me. When you were going, you did not go kwa. Mama wanko kwa. As we branch here, we always the negativity of Agradaa. And I want about Tanasi, shut up and keep quiet. And I want about Tanasi Elsu, shut up and keep quiet. Abrano be mame that cells nanu weni ache. Mugadan crofo including and crabia a fadate to some mu siemino. Sena musimu siemino. Ah, na musimu bedimino. You people were saying that you are very mu bedimi. Mu belimi mu siemi kura. Because me cannot kura. I will not allow you to intimidate me. O can't make me now. To mu siemi. And the wedding back on no. One of my mouse scanning here. E kama nkwa nko mo first scan kwa ya de foforo omo first scan kwa ya de foforo na sa wonu yere ni ki na mo beto na mo bono de me party ametia will never get sympathy for you wo ye nipa bonefo wo gu nipa ni mu ase a che Kofi Adoma wo gu nipa ni mu ase a che why you ungrateful to people a che bra bonse na be pacha ba ko no a se na ye alukumi no bra bonse na be pacha enye sa spiritually ni a se no e be ko kan ye nse ye no pa mark my words. A woman with 5 children. Yen bury me, yen see me na me man na ni nyanka. Na wo de wo won trust na wo enjoy. Na wo minya ko pon chia wo ka. You want me to get sympathy for you. E dey nti na ye bompa ye se nyame nkoma ye nyame nko ya tamfo so. Aya ne bompa ye se nyame ni ya asem ma ye no. Na nyame di ya asem ma me ane me ma ba benye sympathy for you. Ana pani bia wo de utumi intimidating me life no. Say nyame chia wo ka, you want me to get sympathy for you. I will not get sympathy for you. And not bra me nya kwenya ehia the penino minister no. The first adiane dama kuma so using the power to intimidate us. When you post or to her, it's your pen or by your pen or by your lap. Me say, bonini de ubedi, but last minute. One hour bet snaz and always see what say. The one who say, ah, mi hunyanka, so now you're late. Na catch it. Ni power ya danya ubewu. Debi ame catch them say all powers belongs to God. All powers belongs to God. Tisa when you come with the nimu na would say. Now on kwana o kasa. Then ni pari to be me kandia. Me pacha o. You should be very careful. When you get the post, don't let anybody to use you to intimidate. Me, you will not take me some your pia. But when it comes to spiritually, when it comes to spiritually, I have a covenant with God. And when the covenant child cried to God, God speaks. And I mean, say, I know. And then I say, I have a covenant with God. And the covenant child cry, God speaks. Me say, chene beche, but enkaho. Chene beche, but enkaho. Some people treat me like a dog. Kramai, I dia homa so me kon. Di mi ko tire beti. Eye mere, obi afontu ni hofo. Obi dia other chono no timi wu. Obi timi the stroke, not the core pension. Obit me the fryer na to Kofi Adoma no. Nipa boni for most other radio presenters, TV station presenters. They be at the boni na mo kande family. Na me say me nyanko po wa man enkrante so no. Me nyanko po wa man enkrante so no. Everybody will get their fata will be you get it. Me do nyame. Me say me nyanko po wa man enkrante so no. Their fata will biara you will get it. Or biara their fata ni biara you get it. You will get it. Ubenya wo dia pepepepepepe send nyame twie wo bia ka no wo hwe dia be fata no dia boss e bam na waje you can never escape o don sa kan ye yenka se me ye bone a ma bone no ani mini se me di bone a ka 3 good years ni coming de bia me coming kasa nsu da ya boy adwimu po ye ndi ni bone na kwabrane afre radio fo munyina munye news against her munye news na me makwa kogina court na radio presenter I want no me makojina court me makacha judge and say I am not guilty. Na say ni panic me am babonse because of see a chiana cow. It's the person just came out to give a fake news to the public. Say me makojina court say I am guilty. Me say me wumpo now catch me say are you guilty or not guilty? I'm not guilty because I am not guilty and I will never be guilty because me so me ho me nim boni a udia. So I always think about myself. Me dream me papa. Telling ya me to be share me so many years. I was movie no. Niama me metina busumfia ya de 2 me so nyina no. I was innocent. Come woo me. Come in coma 7 days answer my life for that. Na radio presenter. At me free court. I be chantro at your public. Say me makodina court say I am guilty because bonya ya di be di me no. Yamra me news no Ghana for who say makoje tum say me guilty. That is why they are doing me that, which is not true. Opia benye na kachia. Me say from the day I nyanko pound the powder egu me so no. Me say opia benye na kachia one after the other. Wo udi mi bone na me friend me na me musraba me so onipa bi a wo don saka me you will never go scot free. She will never go scot free because o don saka the covenant child. You will never go scot free. Me na say mini obia, mini penny bia, Agradaa di oni obia, oni penny bia, or penny bia, ka de edi ye ni, company fu apie. Mini penny bia, ba mi wo penny bia ye friend Yesu. Mi wo penny bia ye friend Yahweh. Mi wo penny bia ye friend Messiah. Mi wo penny bia ye friend Oboshaka dadudi yakaya. Mi wo penny bia ye friend Yeshua Hamashia. Me was sa be ma don bari mani dimechi. Me say you will never say obedi me pone to go scot free. Wo ya me bone? Me mani mi kunu ensu na wo nkwasere and you go scot free. Na ka me bedi nyame achi yeden. Ka me bedi nyame achi yeden. Wo mo bidi wo mo powers intimidate me no. Now you are begging for your post. Also ni nyame ya na de. E wi say obi nim do obebo obi da ache. Me na mo fa me nya hwe na musi mu di mi bone. E wa bra me bone ni me ho no. And me, where you are crying, I can just speak for you to get what you want. Where you are crying, I can just speak for you to get what you want. Me asumuna swati, and I'm on family yasheno. Messi police ni baby can send be treme. Our brana hank of gumensa, a brana me too yamenyom. Was you people don't know this woman. The God that do this woman is 7. But a mini ba. Time is coming and people will know who this woman is. And oh, baby, baba, your chubby moon 3 years in it, your chubby moon, a be any abo, a be post of from sa, a be a juma from sa, a be woo, a be money, the bonny woo. Sure. And Mamma for saying the Pahumbi can make them sing a midi macho. One of my bed dimach in me and singing and him say, me, Abramitia busum fiempo, naming me yes. Abramitia busum fiempo, naming me yes. And when I would saw me more mammy to me, Jina Yawama Boni Bianca me. Some did Bonnie and Yamina be power me, and me be free machi. Intimidation. Using the power to intimidate. Using your platform to intimidate. You should be very careful. When it's coming, it's doing. When it's coming, it's doing. Share. Minobia, it's moving treating me sending amope. And now Maria, Mumubi Maria, or the Yamo. Me say this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Enti abusia we yen sama mama Agradaa eka edefa Kofi Adoma ho na me hu ni say enye asempapa yesenka mama we otumi eka at least when yen kranhye sem bi anka ankyere nipa no kra no matter bone nipa ndi ayo no at least I say we forget it bibia fa bibia manyame Send the oil software, mammy out to me, Gina Poppet, and we preachy. Say a man for Nyabon any idea, any day. I think it could have been the best for you to either keep quiet or say something. Say something, no cry them why? Because one casano, you don't have that good heart for the person. But then Kebabu and say, obeying. That's all quack can be a man for baby. So we in Pabonini and I say Bibisa. And see, we and then some Mammy Agradaa Eka edify Kofi Adoma when a press conference obey edify the eye shooting no one. When in a yard, and now in a yard, may you who are juncture a comment session. Aha, a fresh studios, Bomodia, so be share a man for a fufro and so any biashe. My crowd.